to learn today?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray first. Yeah, will it pray? Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, let me check your attendance first. Anyone absent today? No. No absent today? Present all? Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, okay. We will continue our lesson. But before we continue our lesson, this is the rules. This is the rules of the class. Okay? The first one, pay attention please. The first one, follow teacher direction. Yeah. And then raise your hand and ask question if you get confused about the topic. Raise your hand. Yeah. Raise your hand. If you want to ask something, raise your hand. If you want to ask, try to answer, raise your hand. Next, be respectful and kind to others. Respectful, kind to others. Pay attention to the teacher. Yeah. And then, last one, always do your best in every meeting season. Always do your best. That's 5 rules, yeah, of the class for our lesson today. Okay, we continue. Let's sing a national song, Garuda Pancasila. Do you know that song? Yes. Kita nyanyi lagu Garuda Pancasila ya. 1, 2, 3. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu. Patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Ya, kita akan ice breaking sebentar ya. Just for your focus. Ya, untuk fokus kalian sebelum kita memulai pembelajaran, kita ada ice breaking sedikit. Clap, boom, hands. Ya, clap, boom, and clap, boom. Nah, bacanya boom, hands. Apa itu pen? Oke, stand up please. Stand up please. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, clap. 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 Boom. Boom. Clap, boom, boom. Clap. Clap, clap. Boom, boom. Clap. Boom, boom, clap. Clap. Boom. Boom, boom. Clap, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Clap, clap. Belum, belum. Clap. Boom, boom. Clap. 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 Boom, boom. Clap. Boom, boom. Clap. Okay, look at the picture. Ganteng-ganteng ya? Ya. Who is the oldest? From the picture, who is the oldest? 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's check. Okay, good. Next. Who is heavier? 2. Bagaimana kalian tahu? Garis line yang pas ya. you guess what we will learn?
Spot the difference. Spot the differences.
The differences. Okay, yeah. The other one.
Comparison. Comparison.
Comparison. The other one. What will we learn today from the examples provided? Yep. Adjective. Comparative adjective. Okay, good. Yeah, this is our material for today. Today, we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. Ya, degrees of comparison. In bahasa disebutnya tingkat perbandingan. Ya, beda dengan perbedaan. Perbandingan. Jadi compare, dan kata compare comparison. Jadi tingkat perbandingan. Ya. Today we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. Okay. Before we continue, let me tell you the learning objectives. The learning objectives. Ya, tujuan pembelajaran kita belajar degrees of comparison. Ya, the first one. At the end of the lessons, you will be able to first create sentences. Yeah. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to create sentences comparing two or more objects. You will create sentence compare two or more objects. And the second one is present comparison. Yeah. Next, we will present. Yeah. After you try to practice, you will present the comparison of the number and the nature of people, animals, and objects according to the context of their. Look at these pictures and try to compare them. Look at the pictures. Yeah, this is rumah. This is rumah juga sih. Bigger. Yeah, bigger. Anyone to try to answer? What is the answer? Make a compare with them. Okay, you. Bigger. Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, good. The first house is bigger than the second house. Next. Look at this picture and compare it. You. Yeah, we can stand up.
The ant is smaller than the elephant.
The ant is smaller than the elephant. Is that right? Yes. Sure? Sure. Let's check. Let's check. Your answer is not false. Ya, dia bisa small, bisa lebih kecil, bisa lebih ringan juga bisa. Nggak salah, nggak salah. Okay, good. Next. Wow. Wow. This is your car. This is your car. This is my car. Who wants to try to answer? Look at these pictures and make a compare. Who wants to answer? Yeah, you. Don't forget her name. Nadia. Okay, silakan Nadia.
So what's the
Nadia. This is Ninja. This is Blar. And this is Supra Bapak. Ya, Supra besar. Cheapest. Okay, let's check. Honda Supra is the cheapest one. Kita katanya tadi ya. Mari kita cek. Oke, good. Dari mana tahu ini cheapest? Paling murah. Kelihatan ya. Oke, next. Wow. This is Monas. And this is our building, Wira Harapan School. And this is Nah, booming teman. Monas is the ya silakan Pak. Monas is the tallest one. Is that right? Let's check. Yeah, is the highest. Oke, tallest juga bisa. Tall itu kan dia tinggi ya. Ya, tapi tinggi itu biasanya lebih ke high. Ya. Monas is the highest one. Okay, let's watch a video to discover more about degrees comparison.
Class, we have good, better, the best, perfect, beautiful, beautifuler, no, more beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, and the beautifulest, no, the most beautiful. Geez, how about happy, happier, happy, happier, happiest? Finally, a correct answer.
From the video, can you make one example of degrees of comparison? Gak usah jauh-jauh, sekitar kita aja di sini. Can you make one example of degrees comparison? Di kelas mungkin. Ya, yuk, Dennis.
Mr. Evan is the oldest one among all of us.
Okay.
All of us.
Mr. Evan is
The oldest.
the oldest one in this class. Enggak juga saya kok bilang. Ada kok sama tuannya mas saya. Ada ya? Nah, oke. Oke, good answer. Ada lagi yang mencoba? Can you make one example of degrees comparison in this class? Gak usah cari contoh jauh-jauh. Sekitaran kita saja. Ya, Jericho.
Andika is the tallest student in the class, in this class.
Andika is the tallest student in this class. Oke, benar. What is degrees comparison? Ya. Degrees of comparison are forms of adjectives or adverbs that show the level or intensity of qualities. Yeah. When comparing people, things, or action. Yeah. Degrees comparison are forms of adjective. What is adjective? In bahasa. Ya, kata sifat. Ya. Adjectives or adverbs that show the level of intensity of qualities when comparing people, things, or action. Yeah. 3 main degrees of comparison. First one is positive. Second one is comparative. And the third one is superlative. Who wants to try to help me to read this one? Angkas.
Positive. The positive degree describes a quality without any comparison. Example: Amos is tall.
Okay. Comparative. You.
Comparative. This is used to compare two things. For one single adjective, we add "er." For another adjective, we use more or less. Example:
Hampir sama ya. Nah, namanya nama Raditya. Oke, jadi Samyo as tall as Radit. Itu dia ya. Jadi tidak ada dibandingkan. Positive degree without any comparison. Look at the example. Ali's house is bright. Ahmed's house is brighter. And Subair's house is the brightest. Nah, ini dia dalam satu kalimat ada 3 tingkatan. Biasanya di sini ada beberapa sering kesalahan. Sering terjadi kesalahan yaitu yang pertama, coba lihat. Double comparative. Itu tidak boleh. Ya. Double comparative, big no. Said is more smarter than Bilal. Ada double ya. This one. More smarter itu sudah tidak bisa. The correct comparative adjectives. Ya. Short adjectives. Regular, clean. Jadinya cleaner. Ends with E. Nice. And with E jadinya ya I-nya satu doang. Ya dihapus. Ends with consonant plus Y. Easy. Easier. Ends with consonant plus full plus consonant. Thin. Ya. Ini aturannya ya. Ini aturannya dari apa namanya adjective. Oh, kenapa harus kalau iya akhirnya ditambahkan ya? Memang aturan dari Inggrisnya. Oke ya. Ini namanya long adjective. This is example of long adjectives. Beautiful. Kalau comparative-nya ini kan kita berbicara, we talk about the comparative adjectives. Beautiful. Dangerous. Expensive. Okay, good. Superlative. Come on, fast. Jadinya the fastest. Remember, kalau dia superlatif di depannya harus ditambahkan the. Ya, the bla bla bla, the bla bla. Ya, the fastest. Nice, the nicest. Easy, the easiest. Thin, thinnest. Okay. Long adjectives dan superlatif. Beautiful jadinya the most beautiful. Difficult jadinya who wants to try to answer? Raise your hand. Yeah, here.
Picture 3 is the youngest one.
No. You put this one. Perubahannya.
Younger and youngest.
Okay, good. Is that correct? Young, younger, youngest. Okay, good. Next. Orange nih, orange. Si kucing orange. Here.
High, higher, highest.
High, higher, highest. Okay. High, higher, highest. Okay, good.
Small, smallest, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest.
Ulang.
Small,
Small, jangan small. Ya, small. Ya, jangan kayak apa namanya? Ada orang menghitung apa 11, 12, jadi bukan 12, 12 gitu ya. Small gitu ya, bukan small. Small, okay, let's practice. Small.
smaller,
Well, okay, let's check. Small, smaller, smallest. Yeah. I will divide you in some groups and do and discuss the project with your group. Ini sudah dengan grup ya? Iya. Grup ya. Group 3. Nantikan. 3 ya. Sini ya, group 3 ya. 3 Andika Eskia di sana ya. Ya, ayo Putri. Putri Maharani, sorry. Stephanie. Yo. Silakan discuss dengan grup, your member group. Bigger than square. Comparison you can mix bahasa. Presentasikan hasil kalian.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are from Group 3, and today we will present our extra about comparative and superlative. And my friend will explain it for you all.
First, we have the circle. The circle is bigger than the square. And the square is smaller than the triangle. And the circle is the biggest.
The circle is bigger than the square. And the second question is, the square is smaller than the triangle. And the third question is, the circle is the biggest. And on the second row, we were given 3 vehicles: a bicycle, an airplane, and a car. And from that we can answer the first question. The first question is, the car is faster than the bicycle. And on the second question, the car is slower than the plane.
Quiz to be quicker and quickest. For late to be late.
So the first one is fast, then the comparative is faster, and then the superlative is fastest. The next one is quick, the comparative is quicker, and the superlative is quickest. And then the third one,
Quick, comparative quicker, superlative quickest. And late, comparative later, superlative latest. Normative set.
First one is two-shape. There are circles, triangles, and square. So the first one is the circle is bigger than the square because it's actually bigger. And then the square is smaller than the triangle. And the circle is the biggest among all of them.
we will continue with individual class. Okay. Write 2 sentences using comparative and write 2 sentences using superlative. Slow, ubahnya comparative slow. It is slower than singkat, slower than kambing, slower than macan. Kalau pokoknya what did we learn today? Yeah, degree. Comparison, bukan comparison. No. Yeah, comparison. Okay, degree comparison. Jadi kalian sudah bisa paham, jadi kalian sudah group work individual sudah bisa mengerjakan hari ini. Yeah, for next meeting, yeah, we are going to learn about making a for next meeting, we are going to learn about making a okay. It's done for today. But before that, yeah, this is student reflection. We have to reflect what we got today. Yeah, this is for you. Silakan dibagi dulu. Just take it. Cepat saja. Ya.
Isi nama tuh lah.
Nggak usah. You got it? You got it? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Let me know our lesson today. Yeah. This is student reflection. Yeah. And let your teacher know. Take one. Yeah. From 1 to 3. Take one. If you understand, you take it. If you need more practice, you take it. And all you do not understand, you take it. Yeah. This is your self-assessment and this is your reflection. Sudah? Oke, silakan dikumpulkan. Kolek. Sudah semua ya? Okay, that's all our lesson today about degree comparison. As I said before, next meeting we will continue with make a wish. Yeah, next meeting. Thank you very much for today. Good afternoon. Good pray for the end of this lesson. Who will lead in prayer? Okay, let me pray to end this lesson for today. Stand up, please. Okay, thank you very much for today. Good afternoon. Dan